This just in, you are looking at obviously a very disturbing live shot there. That is the World Trade Center, and we have unconfirmed reports this morning that a plane has crashed into one of the towers.
And there's no more important issue than defending our peoples.
I trust President Bush that he desires well for Pakistan and for our region.
The tragedies of the World Trade Centers, 9/11 in New York, had nothing to do with the domestic issues of Taliban, Afghanistan, Pakistan, South Asia. I mean, it became a center of conflict as a result of 9/11, but this was not a war that belonged to this region.
We're supporting Pakistan. We're giving them $1.3 billion a year, which we don't give them anymore, by the way. I ended it because they don't do anything for us. They don't do a damn thing for us.
Small aid has been very costly. And the lesson learned from Pakistan point of view is never fight someone else's war.
This war on terror, it started way before I joined the forces. The losses we have suffered in this time is huge, 4 or 5 years back. There's a loss I had when we were coming back in a body bag. There was a body of one of my buddy with whom I started serving this unit. And with him, we had plans that I'll go around the world, I'll see this, I'll do that. We will together do this, we will together do that. And with that bag, with his body, all those plans, all those things that we had planned together, they also came back with that bag.
It's hard to express in words that how does it feel like collecting your loved one in small pieces when they are killed, because these terrorists, in my opinion, they are not humans. They don't want to live in peace, and they don't have any religion. The Western world, they are bringing religion into this. In my opinion, the biggest religion is humanity.